So guys, this afternoon I've decided to come up to Rosniger, up on a lovely part of North Wales, and bring out this little beastie here. So this is our Audi S1 running a APR Stage 2 remap, so running at 344 brake horsepower. What do I think? I think it makes my face do this. I have no idea how this selfie stick works. Look at this. It's a new one. I'm going all over the place. I'm showing sheep. I'm showing the front. Oh, there's my new t-shirt. There we go. We got there in the end. First of all, if we just take a look at it, it's not the most discreet car in the world. I think if you want something which stands out and shouts around a bit, this is the car for you. It doesn't look ridiculously daft. It hasn't got huge massive spoilers and all of the bits and pieces on it. It's got subtle modifications exactly where you want them, i.e. under the bonnet. It drives fabulous. I brought it up the A55 to bring it here. It was absolutely lashing it down, so, and obviously on normal roads, so I wasn't going to be doing anything too daft, but it sounds gorgeous, it looks well, and it turns a lot of heads as well. So as you can see, interior wise, full leather interior with the S1 branding, absolutely unmarked as you'd expect from a car of this age and mileage. Bluetooth and nav on this as well. Well, it's back, it's here in the dry. What did I think to my drive of it today? I absolutely loved it. I've been looking forward to driving this car since I started. This is the one that sort of stuck out for me out of all our stock at the moment. I was impressed with the handling, I was impressed with the way that it puts the power down. There was no screeching, not being able to put the power down with it being a Quattro, it just drops and goes. Very fast, very good fun, but also usable. It's very drivable on a day-to-day basis. I drove this car back down the A55 at 70 miles an hour. It's returning 44 to the gallon. So with a 344 brake pocket rocket, without it breaking your bank every 2 minutes, wanting to stop at a fuel station, I think it's just a great car. So it can be used on a daily commuting sort of drive, or take it up onto the back lanes and thrash its bottom, and it really enjoys it as well. So this car is on your drive for just less than £20,000. Like I say, it's got 22,300 miles on it, which is nothing for a 2015 car. It's in Viper Green, it looks ace, it goes well. Part exchange welcome, also finance options available for you as well. So do please get in contact. You can contact us via our Facebook, email or phone. All our details are on the website and on our Facebook page as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels also. And I will look forward to speaking to you guys soon.